Welcome back. In breaking news coming in, market regulator SEBI has now moved to Supreme Court against Sahara over the auction of Ambey Valley. In fact, Sahara Group's flagship property in Maharashtra is now finally in trouble, with SEBI claiming that Sahara is obstructing the process of auction and has cited contempt of the Supreme Court orders. The Supreme Court is to decide the hearing on this matter very soon. The auction process was slated to start today, but now SEBI raising the alarm. Market regulator SEBI moving the Supreme Court against Sahara over the auction of the flagship property of Sahara, Ambey Valley. And let me go straight across now to Anusha Soni for more details and updates. Anusha, the Supreme Court did give a go-ahead for the Ambey Valley auction after Sahara Group had failed to pay a deposit of 15,000 crore rupees. But what are the obstructions that are being caused in this process of auctioning Ambey Valley?
So, Avantika, this entire process of auction of Ambey Valley is not a very straightforward process. There are third-party rights which are already created. Many people have already bought properties in Ambey Valley.
Yes.
And in this entire process, it has become a very complex exercise. SEBI, the amicus which has been appointed, and also the Registrar General of the High Court, which was involved in this process, has repeatedly said that they will coordination from Sahara in terms of the paperwork, in terms of the kind of go-aheads they need. So clearly this is a process which requires all sorts of legal coordination from Sahara in terms of the paperwork that needs to be done. Now, though the lawyer did not spell out in very clear terms, but what sources are telling us is that Sahara is not cooperating as far as the paperwork is concerned, but a detailed hearing is likely to be very soon. The Chief Justice of India is likely to hear this matter. It may be listed tomorrow for an urgent hearing, and let's see how this entire, complex exercise of auctioning process goes forward.
Right, Anusha. Thanks so much for joining us and getting us more on the move by the market regulator SEBI, accusing Sahara Group of creating hurdles, roadblocks in auctioning Ambey Valley belonging to Sahara. Moving on now to some other news.